That's the second day and it's freaking cold. Everything is basically frozen. The lake was frozen. The river started to freeze on the side. Like the wave was frozen. It reminded me the saying, the harder it is to breathe, the more alive you feel. So I feel very alive. But it went very fine, and this small shelter, this small cabin is awesome. Like I just wake up in the morning, I put on the fire, in 2 minutes it was like warm inside, and I just came out, take some drone shot, and look at that. It's very accessible, like it's only 10 kilometers by walk from a public transportation, but it's also very wide. You don't want to get lost there, and you can get lost there. So I really love it. I think the border between Skåne and Blekinge is my favorite area with all those lakes. So that's all, and I really enjoyed that 2 days. If I felt a bit tired because of all the lack of sleep and so on that I had during the week, I mean now it's like I feel really okay, good. I could go on. I would love to spend more days there, but one, I will run out of food very fast, and second of all, I need to go to work tomorrow. So now it's time to go home. Bus in 10-15 minutes, so let's go. Ciao, see you next hike.